friends, today I am preparing the video for guarantee with past adjustment. In this I am taking question number 86 of TS Garewal. The question is Ajay, Binay and Chetan are partner in 3:3:2 and the partnership deed ये तीन चीज़ प्रोवाइड कर रही है. सैलरी टू अजय एंड बिनय 2000 पर क्वार्टर, चेतन को कमीशन है 8000 का एंड बिनय को गारंटी है 50000 की. तो इसमें पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट भी है और गारंटी भी है. There are only two questions given like this in TS Garewal. तो प्रॉफिट था फर्म का 1,50,000 विच वॉज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिटवीन पार्टनर इन 2:1 बट इट शुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन 3:3:2 बिकॉज पार्टनर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो है 3:3:2 but the profit is distributed in 2:2:1. So we will reverse the profit and what is not given, the these points of partnership deeds, these three things are not given between partners. So we have to make an adjustment table and we have to pass the adjustment entry and show our working clearly. तो वर्किंग भी हमें साफ साफ दिखानी है एंड वी हैव टू पास द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. सो दिस इज द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. फर्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन द एडजस्टमेंट टेबल. फर्स्ट वी विल रिवर्स द प्रॉफिट वॉज इन 2:1. तो ये हमने क्रेडिट किया होगा. अब हम इसको रिवर्स करेंगे तो वी विल डेबिट द पार्टनर्स. तो ये पार्टनर्स डेबिट होंगे. अजय विल बी डेबिटेड बाय 60,000, विनय विल बी 60,000 एंड चेतन बाय 30,000 एंड फर्म विल बी क्रेडिटेड बाय 1,50,000. नाउ वी विल गिव द सैलरी ऑफ 2,000 पर क्वार्टर. 2,000 पर क्वार्टर है यानी 4 क्वार्टर होते हैं इन अ ईयर. तो 8,000 विल बी गिवन टू अजय विल बी क्रेडिटेड बाय 8,000 एंड विनय विल बी क्रेडिटेड बाय 8,000 and firm will be debited by 16,000. Now we will give commission to Chetan. It is 8,000. So Chetan's account will be credited by 8,000 and firm will be debited by 8,000. Now it is time to balance the firm's capital account. So firm के account को we will total. तो it is 50,000, 1,50,000. So balancing figure is 1,20,000, 1,26,000. It will be distributed between partners in 3:3:2. Now according to this ratio, the profits of the partner are 47,250. Binay's is 47,250 and Chetan's is 31,500. But Binay has the guarantee of 50,000 in the partnership deed. So we will credit Binay more by 2,750 and this will be given by Ajay and Chetan in 3:2 because their ratio was 3:3:2 and Chetan Binay has the guarantee. So these two partners will give it in 3:2. So they will give 2,750 in 3:2. It will be 1,650 by Ajay and by Chetan 1,100. So these two partners will be debited by this guaranteed amount and Binay will be credited. Now his total is 50,000. Total share of profit is 50,000 now. So for the adjustment entry we will total the column of each partner. Now Ajay debit side total is 61,650 and credit side total is 55,250. So this partner is more debited. So his debit column is greater. So in the general entry he will be debited by 6,400. His debit column is more by 6,400 and Binay's debit column is 60,000 total and credit column is 58,000 total. So he will be debited by 2,000 in the general entry and Chetan's debit column total is 31,100 and Chetan's credit column is 39,500. So he is more credited. So in the general entry he will be credited by 84,000. Difference between these two columns. Okay, now the general entry we will pass is this: Ajay's capital account debit, Binay's capital account debit to Chetan's capital account 8,400 and Ajay and Binay was 64,000 and 2,000 respectively. Thank you.